and girls, welcome to Going Guitar and to South France. Maybe you can hear some loud voices outside, people working on construction and so on. That's how it is. It's the beauty of going live. As I said, you have followed me here down to South France, and we're gonna bring in Going Guitar as well here because I'm having fun here on vacation, but also a little bit work, so that's the deal here. Now, let's go into the song I want to teach you guys. It's from Daniel Caesar's Have a Baby With Me. All right, so we have this melody going on. It's 2 chords back and forth, melody or strumming, that's it. Okay, best scenario for us, capo on first, the easiest way to handle this melody, which still is a little bit tricky. I'm aware of that, but this is how easy as it gets. Now let's start with the first chord we're gonna use. That is the F. So it's a bar chord. You place this finger here on the 1st fret, you push down all strings, then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. That's the F chord, and you're gonna alternate that with the C. And C goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so let's go into the melody, and we're gonna play this part. Okay, so what I suggest you hold here is not the bar chord. You just point your finger, index finger, on the 1st fret E string, and everything else there from the chord follows. So ring finger on 3rd A, little pinky on 3rd D, and mid finger on 2nd G. So that is what I suggest you hold here. And this is the hardest part of this pattern, to hit the right things here. So I'm gonna play. Timing here is very important. You're gonna play 1st fret E string, then 3rd A, then 2nd G, and then 3rd D. So till this point it's very okay, but then comes the switch here, and that is played 2nd G, and then 2nd D, okay? So that is a little bit tricky there. And then back to 2nd G, and open G. And then you have to put it on place again, because you're gonna play 4 of these rounds, okay? So you're gonna play this slowly. What I do here, I think is the best scenario, is to play, to start with, 1st E, 3rd A, 2nd G, and 3rd D. And then 2nd G. And once you play that 2nd G, I use my mid finger to go up and hit that 2nd D. So I release everything except from the 1st E string here. I release all other fingers and place my mid finger on the 2nd D. And then I go down with my ring finger and play the 2nd G and open G. And once you play that, you have to go back to the original grip again. So slowly it goes like this. Watch my left hand here, how the timing is very important. So as soon as I play the 2nd G for the 2nd time, I go up with my mid finger on the 2nd D and play the rest from that on. So that is how I do that pattern. Yes, it takes some practice to do it, but anyway, that's manageable. Now let's go into the C part, much easier. So what I hold here is the 3rd fret A string and 1st fret B. So you're gonna play this. So you're gonna play 3rd A, open G, open high E, 1st B, open high E again, then open B, so I release that, then back to open E, and then I get the 3rd B with my little pinky. And that is 1 round. I play that for 4 rounds, and it goes back and forth, F4, C4, F4, C4 till the very end. And yeah, goes like this for 1 round. And then back, and so on. All right, so that is how you handle the melody part. Now let's go into the strumming, and now of course you have to hold the full chords as they are. It goes like this for 1 round, and you're gonna play 4 of these per chord as well, so it just follows the melody pattern here. So what you're gonna play here is down, up, down, up to start with. And then clap, up, down, up. That is one round. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is one round. And in a context, it goes like this: F4, C4. So on. And that's it, my friends. Daniel Caesar's Have a Baby With Me. This is more a piano-based song, and I'm aware of that these melodies, they goes in, it's played in different octaves. I choose one here, very simple, one place to play all these notes. And yes, that is to simplify everything and make it playable on guitar. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Till next time, play tuned.